Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emotions and Stories. We continue with the stories of Lakshadweep Islands. Today's story is called The Chained Spirits of Kalpeni. Kalpeni Island has a dark tale of chained spirits. It is said that during ancient times, a group of pirates who looted the island was caught by the local and executed. The chains used to bind them were buried with their bodies to prevent their souls from seeking revenge. Fishermen and night travelers claim to hear clinking of chains near certain parts of the island, especially during stormy nights. Let's delve a little deeper in the eerie story. In the turquoise waters of Lakshadweep archipelago lies Kalpeni, an island known for its serene beauty and quiet shores. But beneath the calm waves and the swaying coconut palms, an old legend lingers. One that the islanders whisper about the glow of lanterns on stormy nights. Long ago, Kalpeni was a bustling hub of trade with sailors and merchants stopping by its shores. Among them was a wealthy merchant named Farhan, who lived one fateful season with his grand ship filled with the treasures from distant lands. He was welcomed by his islanders who admired his riches but grew weary of his arrogance. Farhan, drunk on his own success, sought to claim Kalpeni as his own, ignoring the traditions of the land. The island's elders warned him, Kalpeni is not just soil and sea, it is home to spirits who guard it fiercely. Do not disturb their slumber. But Farhan scoffed at their words. One night, under the glow of a full moon, he ordered his men to dig into the sacred grove of the heart of the island, believing it hid untold riches. As their shovels struck the earth, a terrible wind rose from nowhere, howling like the wails of the forgotten. The ground beneath them trembled, and from the darkness emerged spectral figures, warriors and guardians of the old, bound in chains of light. Their eyes buried with fury as they let out a chorus of cries that echoes across the island. The chains that bind us, they moaned, are the greed and defiance of those who forget the sacred. One by one, Farhan's men vanished into the night, swallowed by the restless spirit. The merchant himself ran to the ship, only to find waters around it turning to black mist. The spirit seized him, and as dawn broke, one of his empty vessels remained, drifting with the tide, abandoned and cursed. Since that night, the people of Kalpeni say that on a certain moonlit night, one can hear the rattling of chains carried by the wind. Some claim to see shadowy figures standing by the shore, gazing towards the horizon as if waiting for something or someone. No one dares disturb the sacred grove anymore, and no ship that arrives in Kalpeni ever dares to stay past the midnight tide. Please mention your feedback in the comments. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.